I welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. As you all know, in previous session I have explained you the syllabus and the first unit into it was green marketing, right? So today we will be starting with the green marketing introduction, meaning and definition part. Am I clear to it? Green marketing is nothing but a marketing which is eco-friendly. जब आप मार्केटिंग करते हो और उसमें जब आप इको फ्रेंडली चीज़ें यूज़ करते हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ग्रीन मार्केटिंग, विच इज़ नॉट क्रिएटिंग harm to the atmosphere. While you're marketing, while you're convincing the consumers, while you're presenting your product in front of the consumers in sense of promotions and any other things, if you are not harming to the environment and if you are using ecological products which are degraded in the environment, that is termed as green marketing. Cleared? Okay. According to the American Marketing Association, green marketing is marketing of products that are presumed to be ecologically safe. आप ऐसे प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग करते हो जो इकोलॉजिकली सेफ होते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ग्रीन मार्केटिंग. दस ग्रीन मार्केटिंग इनकॉर्पोरेट अ ब्रॉड रेंज ऑफ एक्टिविटी. ग्रीन मार्केटिंग में बहुत सारे ब्रॉड रेंज ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ रहते हैं, जैसे प्रोडक्ट मॉडिफिकेशन, चेंजेस इन द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस, पैकेजिंग चेंजेस एज वेल एज मॉडिफाइंग एडवर्टाइजिंग. देखो, जब आप एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो जो इकोलॉजिकल को हार्म नहीं करता है तो वो प्रोडक्ट में मॉडिफिकेशन करना ज़रूरी होता है. फिर उसके प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में इकोलॉजिकली फ्रेंडली चीज़ें लानी पड़ती है. अगर आप प्रोसेस सही से नहीं करोगे, अगर इकोलॉजिकल फ्रेंडली प्रोसेस नहीं करोगे तो वो प्रोडक्ट इकोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनेगा. देन पैकेजिंग जब आप कर रहे हो, एडवर्टाइजिंग जब आप कर रहे हो, तो उसे भी आपको इकोलॉजिकली फ्रेंडली करना होगा. देन ओनली दैट प्रोडक्ट विल बी एन इकोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्ट. Clear to it? When you're marketing product which is eco-friendly, it is called as green marketing. और जब आप मार्केटिंग करते हो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट की जो इको फ्रेंडली है, तो उसका बनाने का प्रोसेस, उसका पैकेजिंग का प्रोसेस और उसके एडवर्टाइजिंग का प्रोसेस सब इको फ्रेंडली चाहिए. क्लियर टू इट? द टर्म ग्रीन मार्केटिंग केम इनटू prominence in the late 1980s and early 1990s. The American Marketing Association AMA held the first working on ecological marketing in 1975. The processing of this workshop resulted in one of the first book on green marketing entitled Ecological Marketing. Thus, green marketing incorporates a broad range of activities including product modification, changes in the production process, packaging changes, as well as modifying advertising. In simple terms, green marketing refers to the process of selling products or services based on their ecological environmental benefit, such a product or service may be environmentally friendly in itself or produces or packed in an environmentally friendly way. The obvious assumption of green marketing is that potential consumer will view a product or service greenness as a benefit and base their buying decision accordingly. The not so obvious assumption of green marketing is that consumer will be able to pay more for green products than they would for a less green products. Alternative products as assumptions that has not been proven conclusively, especially the middle effect which it had had on consumer has washed away by present receiving recession only. Green or environmental marketing satisfies human need with minimum determination impact on the natural environment. Green marketing not only include consumers goods and industrial goods but also services sector. It is the process of distributing of goods and services, both the manufacturing and the service balance contribution towards the ecological imbalance and loss of the ओजोन लेयर. समझा कि आप जब कोई प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट करते हो, ग्रीन मार्केटिंग सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड नहीं, ये सर्विसेज से भी रिलेटेड है. और जब आप इस कोई भी प्रोडक्ट, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग करते हो जो इकोलॉजिकली फ्रेंडली होता है, तो ओजोन लेयर पे जो इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है वो भी लेस होता है या मिनिमम होता है. clear to it. However, the role of marketing manufacturing sector in this regard is more significant. और जब आप कोई प्रोडक्ट को इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट बोलते हैं तो इसमें जो आप प्रोसेस करते हो, जो आप मैकेनिज़्म यूज़ करते हो प्रोसेसिंग का, वो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. क्योंकि अगर प्रोसेस करते वक्त ही आप इकोलॉजिकल चीज़ें नहीं यूज़ करोगे, बट वाइल रैपिंग, वाइल ब्रांडिंग, इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग इकोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्ट, दैट प्रोडक्ट विल नॉट बी कॉल्ड एज अ fully ecological product, that will be semi ecological product. Clear to it. The process of manufacturing and selling goods and services with the last threat in the environment is a big issue before the business houses. Green marketing requires awareness not only for the consumers but also for the manufacturers of such goods. Ultimately, green marketing requires extra cost, but the stakeholders should be ready to bear the cost. Businesses, firms have also started responding to environmental challenges by adopting एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रीन मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज़. अब जब ग्रीन मार्केटिंग यूज़ किया जाता है तो उसका कॉस्ट एक्स्ट्रा हो जाता है और बिजनेसेस ये रेडी होना चाहिए इसका एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट बेयर करने के लिए. ऑल्दो द एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट इज़ बीन टेकन बाय द कंज्यूमर्स ओनली, बट इनिशियली ये इन्वेस्टमेंट है तो ये स्टेक होल्डर्स रेडी होना चाहिए इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एडवांटेज ऑफ ग्रीन मार्केटिंग इज़ दैट इको फ्रेंडली goods have a competitive advantage over the other firms selling non-ecological features good. At the same time, it should be noted that in the era of green marketing, such and every shareholder should take part in this process as a social responsibility. It is a fact that the natural environment is the base of all activity. Natural environment and ecological service provides us with goods, water and material for living. Since the economic activity directly depends upon the natural resources and the environment, the protection of natural environment is the duty of all stakeholders. He should take utmost care to protect both the renewable and non-renewable source of energy. If we fail to manage the ecosystem and environment resources in a proper way, the future generation will face severe imbalance in the climate and availability of water, food, goods, air, etc. It is needless to say that the major reason behind the imbalance in the ecosystem is improper management of resources and the population explosion. Hence, the process of selling goods and services in an eco-friendly way is a big issue before the business houses across the globe. However, keeping eco-friendly goods in the hands of the ultimate user is a social responsibility of the manufacturer, or the role of the wealth creators has been more in damaging the ecosystem rather than preserving it. In our days, the environmental problem seems to be concerned all active citizens, entrepreneurs, and industrial institutions, and over the world much more than it did go every year ago. International research shows the consumer worrying about the environment and change their behavior gradually. Thus, a new market for a valid and a suitable product energizes, which is further strengthened by active consumers since it is a way to contribute to the protection of the environment. The enterprise gradually recognizes the various competitive advantage and the enterprise's opportunities that arises from the ecological consuming approach, entering the word green in many of these activities. Thus, in parallel with the concept of corporate social responsibility of green marketing has also been cultivated with sufficiently effective practice. The term green marketing refers to the planning, development and promotion of product or service that satisfy the needs of the consumer for quality, output, price and service without a negative effect on the environment with regard to the use of raw material, consumption of energy, etc. According to Keynes, green marketing must be more than a green way of marketing of the so-called green products. Green has to be referred both to the method and to the product. This is why the very idea of green marketing needs consider development and analysis with rules and integrity in economic, scientific, academic and ethical sense. The environmental parameters has been included in the strategy of marketing from the beginning of 1990s. It is reported that in the USA, the green market creates about $2,500, which 63 millions of consumers are directed to the product that either protect the environment, contrary to the conventional ones, or has been produced with purposes that respect the society with the environment. Green marketing is a relatively new focus in the force in the business endurance and came into prominence only in the late 1980s. Since the middle mites, environment legislation has increased, leading to a high level of awareness of environmental issues in the business domain, and many corporates being required to consider the issues in their strategic planning in order to meet stricter environmental changes. That is easier said than done. The so-called green consumers movement in USA has struggled to keep afloat by not quite being able to reach critical mass, not being at the very forefront of shoppers' mind. In the fast moving period, there is a huge requirement of standard entity wealth as well as fresh environment. It is the primary responsibility of the public and the private sector enterprises to provide the essentials of life and the maintenance of the demand of the consumer environment. In green marketing, products are offered to satisfy the consumer with special consideration on environment. Cleared है? और अब मार्केटिंग एसोसिएशन क्या कहते हैं ग्रीन मार्केटिंग के बारे में? According to Marketing Association, green marketing is the marketing of product that presumed in the environmentally safe, that presumes to be environmentally safe. According to Polo Sky 1994, green or environmental marketing consists of all activities designed to generate and facilitate any change initiated to satisfy human needs or wants, such that the satisfaction of these needs and wants occurs with minimum detrimental impact on the environmental. Green marketing refers to the process of selling product or services based on their environmental benefit. मैंने बोला था आपको ग्रीन मार्केटिंग क्या है. ग्रीन मार्केटिंग वो प्रोडक्ट है और या वो सर्विस है जो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट से डील करती है जो एनवायरनमेंट में सेफ़ हो. सच अ प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विस में भी एनवायरमेंटली फ्रेंडली इन इटसेल्फ और produces an environmentally friendly way. The assumption of green marketing is that potential consumer will view product or service greenness as a benefit and base their buying decision accordingly. The consumers may be willing to pay more for green products than they would pay less for the green product. अभी green marketing जब evolved हुआ है, जैसे पतंजलि is also one of the way of green marketing only. यहाँ पर क्या है, पतंजलि के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है दैट आर मोर कॉस्टली देन द रेगुलर प्रोडक्ट्स. वाई? बिकॉज दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर इकोलॉजिकली सेफ. क्लियर टू इट? ओके. तो और लोग रेडी होते हैं इकोलॉजिकल सेफ प्रोडक्ट जो है उसके लिए, लोग भी रेडी होते हैं, कंज्यूमर्स भी रेडी होते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पे करने के लिए व्हेन इट इज़ green as compared to less green products. Clear to it? Okay. Emerging in this substantial activity can lead to creating a new product line that caters to a new target market, also known as substantial marketing, environmental marketing और ecological marketing. और green marketing से ही आगे चल के substantial marketing, environmental marketing and ecological marketing will come into existence. Clear to it? According to American Marketing Association, green or environmental marketing consists of all activities designed to generate and facilitate an exchange intent to satisfy human need or wants, such that the satisfaction of the needs and wants occurs with minimum detrimental input on the environment. नेशनल एनवायरनमेंट, इसमें क्या बोला है, मार्केट अमेरिकन मार्केटिंग एसोसिएशन कि एनवायरमेंटल मार्केटिंग या ग्रीन मार्केटिंग वो मार्केटिंग है जो कंज्यूमर के वांट को सेटिस्फाई करने की पूरी तरीके से कोशिश करेंगे और ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे कि वो कंज्यूमर को सेटिस्फाई करे लेकिन वो एनवायरनमेंट को भी कम से कम हार्म करे, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट. क्लियर टू इट? ओके. A variety of jargons are used in these ideas like green marketing, ecological marketing, environmental marketing. The term green marketing came into regulation in the late 1980s and early 1990s. और ग्रीन मार्केटिंग के लिए सब्सटीट्यूट जार्गन्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं जैसे कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, इकोलॉजिकल मार्केटिंग, एनवायरमेंटल मार्केटिंग और ग्रीन मार्केटिंग. Clear? But this is all green marketing only. Clear to it? Okay. Be at home, be safe. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you.